this is Billy Angelos, and this is homework 2, problem 1, the stem and leaf design. So I have a photo or a snippet of my levels. So we could start with the first question. What are the important steps in displaying a stem and leaf plot? The important steps in having a stem and leaf plot are to have the data clearly represented and even. It is also important to have the data clear and readable for the user to visualize and interpret. So the next question, how will your main function be organized? If we look at the chart, you can visualize it, but I also have written here, I have it organized to greet the user. Once the user is greeted, the function will then ask for the input that the user wants to see, which is the 1, 2, or 3 file. Next, the function will then read and sort the data, and then it will evaluate how it wants to be sorted, which is on the 4th level. So you can see main to greet, greet to main, and then it'll get the input, read and sort, and evaluate. See. Once the data is coordinated, the function will then plot the data. Once the plot is completed, the program will then ask the user if they would like to analyze another file. If they say yes, then it will start back at the beginning and it will loop back. And if not, then the function will end. So how many levels does it have? It's 4 levels. The evaluate function, which is on the lowest level, it just evaluates the data and decides in what category it wants it to be organized and how it decides it's going to plot the data.